What do you see? Do you see endless opportunities? Is it a richly interconnected world, supported by data upon data, systems within systems? Do you see possibilities in the smallest of places, yet with the biggest of impacts? Do you see endless possibilities? Because we do, and quantum computing could help realize those opportunities. So we're inviting you to lead the way. Keep us flying in the toughest of conditions with quantum simulation. Help build the sustainable supply chains of the future with quantum optimization. Make future autonomous mobility even safer with quantum machine learning. Or push the limits of the aerodynamic design of our future vehicles with quantum solvers. Take a new path to answer questions that only quantum can with the Golden App Challenge. It's time to show us what you see.